Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, told him, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commanded Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to give his wives the option to stay with him or not, so he sallallahu alaihi wasallam first came to me and said, I am about to say something to you, but be not hasty in giving its reply until you consult your parents. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam knew well that my parents would not suggest me to get separation from him. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha narrates that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, say to your wives, if you wish the life of the world and its adornment, then come, I provide you wealth and leave you in a good manner. And if you wish Allah and His Messenger and the home of the hereafter, then undoubtedly Allah has kept prepared for the well-doers among you a great reward. So I submitted, what should I consult with my parents in this matter, whereas I wish only Allah's pleasure, His Apostle's pleasure, and good in the abode of hereafter, and I do not opt anything against them. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4785.